In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix an iPhone microphone not working. Can't make calls or record videos because your iPhone mic stopped working? Don't rush to the Apple Store. Try these fixes first. Microphone issues on iPhones can be super frustrating. But the good news is that most of them are software problems that you can fix yourself. Let me walk you through the troubleshooting steps. First, let's figure out which microphone is the problem. Your iPhone actually has multiple mics, one at the bottom for calls, one at the top for FaceTime, and one on the back for videos. Test each one by making a call, recording a voice memo, and shooting a video. If none of them work, check your microphone permissions, go to Settings, Privacy, and Security, Microphone, and make sure the apps you're trying to use have permission. Sometimes iOS updates reset these permissions. Here's something people often miss. Check if your microphone is physically blocked. Remove any case, clean out the lightning port and microphone holes with a soft brush or compressed air. Lint and dust love to hide in there. Try testing in different apps. Open voice memos and record something. If that works, but phone calls don't, the issue might be network related, not hardware. If voice memos doesn't pick up any sound, we're looking at a deeper problem. Restart your iPhone. Seriously, this fixes a lot of microphone glitches. If that doesn't work, try resetting all settings under Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone. You'll have to reconfigure some preferences, but it often resolves audio issues. Thanks for watching.